Hindi ba? Butas, hindi ba? Butas eh. Hindi, everybody thinks that in order for you to do processing, for you to do analysis, you have to key it in or get the data from
Yes.
somewhere. But if you have real live data of items or of again, voltage, energy, power, brightness, rain, temperature, flood warning, gaano kataas na yung yung laman ng basura ko sa trash can. Puno na ba o hindi pa? Imagine. Then pupuntahan ng basurero yan pag
Yep.
puno na. Pag hindi pa puno, hindi ko muna dadaanan yung kalingan. Just imagine the savings. Little things that mean a lot when you combine all this together.